Alright guys, there's date and time on a Garmin Farmer 620, and in this video we're going to ride the elevator here at the Frick Center, Elmhurst College in Elmhurst, Illinois. Now this entrance is really interesting because here you enter through those doors, those double doors that is, and you either can go downstairs, go upstairs, or ride this elevator right here. Since this building happens to be built on a hill. So yeah. Anyways, before we ride the elevator, let's take a look at some of the events for some sorority or fraternity that exists here. And for all you vending machine fans, there's a farmer's fridge. We'll take the man-powered elevator up one floor to show you guys it in more detail. But yeah, here's what it looks like. It appears to be empty at the moment, but apparently when it's empty, it has a message that says "try again tomorrow," with all these like different like little icons, like there's a sun icon, a farm icon, a watering can icon. And then peace, I'm out. Just kind of funny how they display it like that. And there's where you recycle your jars. And I guess this is where it dispenses. Here's the LCD screen that would display if it was working. It doesn't seem like we can even turn it on right now. But yeah, anyways, there are your dispensers for your silverware. And I guess for other stuff too. Here's this really nice little display on the side here. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's see, I wonder what model this is. I'm not sure, but here's what it says on the side here. Got some interesting little messages here. It's a pig skateboarding. Wow. So now we're going to ride down the man-powered elevator. Now, I noticed that in this entrance, that little badge scanner right there is on red, so I'm not sure if they lock off the elevator or if it's just that access to the building. But we'll go find out here in a sec. So, anyways, let's take a ride in this elevator. It's an Otis Series 1. And it looks like we can't access that. So message you want to pause to read. Encouraging you to not use the elevator, but here we're going to do the opposite and actually use the elevator. So now we're going to head down to the basement. Now, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about later. And it was a swatch indicator. Here are at the basement, which opens up on this side, right here. It's now set up to 3. And the door close button works. We all love that. Anyways, here at 3, which I believe opens up on this side as well, where we just were. So let's go down to the basement. And now it's time to get a cat view. It's kind of a rough start up to going down. It's a pretty nice elevator. Like the wall design there, and as you can see, it's got double doors. There's your indicator right there. Your 5 for operation instructions. So you want to pause to read. Here's your directory if you want to pause to read. Here, fixtures. Now, ironically, it's got one set of one set of door controls, even though there's a front and a rear door. Not sure why it has that though, but yeah.
Although, if you think about the floor layout on this elevator logically, only one door can be open at a time. Therefore, it would only be necessary to have one set of door controls.
And then down here, if I can get the phone box open, there we go. It's your 88 phone. Need your certificate of inspection when I pause to read. Now we're gonna head to one and end up there. You're at one. Oh, I'm sorry. I wanted to go off on 2R, not 1. What was I thinking? I was gonna say I could have sworn because I got off on that side, so therefore the only floor I would open up on that side would be 2R. I'm such an idiot. All right. Anyway, here are back where we started. Now we're gonna watch the elevator close up. Usually takes a while to close up if you don't press door close. Usually takes a while. There it goes. And that's it.